Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm here in Chasangre. Let me just correct myself. This is Duragre and this is next to Nehu campus in Tura. And I'm really looking forward to having a delicious meal at this Achakme Hotel, which is right here. And this is on the way to Rongram, which is about 10 kilometers drive from Tura. It's really hot and let me tell you, I might be sweating profusely, but the hunger has led me to drive all the way from Tura, and let's check out what this Achakme Hotel has to offer. I'm really looking to some yummy food. And if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to watch this video till the end, and let's check out what are the recipes, or I would say dishes, that they have cooked today. Hello. Mai dong ăn gì? Chả ní đó.
Anh ở đây mày tí cái đồng
Wak dong ăn ba?
phải và kappa.
Go. Okay, so this is how the place looks. Yeah, it's really neat, in case if you're too curious. So I'll take this corner table so that I do not disturb people while having my meal. Well guys, it's about 8:30 in the morning, and this is these are the only dishes that are ready now. This is pork intestines, which is cooked with khalchi and chilies. I can smell the ginger right from a distance, and all these gravy that you see is the pork fat. I hope it's as delicious as it looks. The khalchi does not smell too strong, unlike in other restaurants. So I'm just going to, dig in as is. Just got melted. Really well cooked. It's lip smacking is all I can say. And this is our pork kappa. Just look at the chunk of fat. This does not look like a local pig that you get in and around here. And the rice quantity looks quite a lot for me, but I'll try to eat as much as possible. So let me just put this wakapa all over. I think the temperature is around 30 plus today, and since yesterday it's been quite hot. This is dal. It's basically it's basically the red lentils with chana gram or chana dal, which is mixed and boiled, and then they have even tempered it with some onions. This is really yummy. Okay. Let me help myself with one rasan, and then I'm going to put I'm going to drain this pork fat and then put it all over my plate now. So guys, here's my meal. Isn't it looking so yummy? These are the kind of dishes that you will get throughout Garo Hills, while if you travel to Khasi Hills, you will get the Khasi platter, and so it is like, in every region. The roosters are really crowing way too loud. Mm. I like this dal. Just the way I prepare at home. Let me tell you, the khalchi is strong, but when I in the bibuk, when I ate it by itself, I didn't feel it, but now definitely I can. I missed meals like this. Work has been really crazy, and that's one of the reasons that I've not been covering, but I've just restarted. If you have any of your favorite, what do you call, places where you enjoy your Achakmi hotel, drop in your comments. I'm definitely going to cover them, but I hope they are not way too far from Tura. The crunch from the onions, oh, the onions are really strong. It just hit my nasal passage. The pork is cooked just with ginger and khalchi as well as salt. These are the only 3 ingredients that you add to wakappa. You can add pork as well as replace it with chicken if you do not eat pork. I have the recipes on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check them out. I have put them both in the cards, and there are plenty of recipes from Northeast India, which I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Oh, I need a handkerchief now. Yeah, which you are going to enjoy. So don't forget to watch them out, and do browse my channel for more travel and food updates. The rice is piping hot. Just trying to navigate my morsels through this hot. I hope you guys are enjoying watching these kind of mukbang videos. And I have been covering places which is near Tura, so don't forget to check those videos out. The meat is really well cooked, I must say. Keeping in mind everyone's palate, the wakapa isn't too hot, unlike what we generally get or eat at home. Wow. I'm going to smash all these chilies. I'm not a big fan of dal, but this one is really tasty. I like my meals runny, and I do not think I'll be able to finish this rice. Look. I'm going to eat them all. The mixture of this bibuk with dal is just perfect. Yeah, today my meal, I mean, does not have any vegetable. I would say just condiments. I'm really sweating here, but I'm going to have this and try to finish as much as possible. This bibuk is to die for. And just to let you know, there is another hotel which I have covered, which is only about 100 meters away from here. So I'm going to put it up in the cards. Don't forget to check them out. The girls are over there, ensure that they go to school in the morning, and then later once they are back around 10 a.m. they support their family running that restaurant by just sitting at the counter. So if you just pick or grab a few dishes from them, that might help them and their family in some way. Like I thought, the rice quantity was too much for me, and I'm not a person who enjoys throwing food, but this is all that I could eat. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, so don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also do check out this place. They have quite a good number of dishes. I really like the chicken, this masala that they make, which is something that I have tried earlier, and also grab a few takeaways while we were on our way to Vilamnagar Road, or even Ganor. Yeah. I really enjoyed my meal here, and I must say it was utterly delicious. I enjoyed the number of chilies that they have. I would say the heat that they have. Even in the Wak Kappa, unlike other places, it's not too hot. So if you are not a big fan of hot and spicy food, but really want to try out Wak Kappa, this is the place you should come to. I would give their Wak Kappa a 4 out of 5. If I should say, the meat was the only reason that I did not give it a 5 out of 5. The pork was, I would say the pork was not local. That's what I think. I think it's a crossbreed. That is the only reason. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you have watched till the end. Also do consider sharing it with your family and friends on various social media platforms, as well as on WhatsApp. And if you want me to cover any of your favorite hotels, do drop in your comments. I'll really look forward to it. And if you're cooking any of my dishes, don't forget to direct message me on Instagram, or else you can even mail me on my Gmail account, which is snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com. I will see you in the next vlog, and stay tuned in, do browse my channel, and see you soon.